It's a Health Topics Tuesday on SVI Media, sponsored by Star Valley Health. And today we are with Jaimi Scott, a behavioral health therapist at Star Valley Health. And Jaimi is new to Star Valley Health, but not new to therapy. Jaimi, thanks so much for your time. Let's get to know you a little bit. Tell us about your background and what led you to Star Valley Health.
All right, so I have been doing counseling for about almost 6 years. And I have worked at High Country Behavioral Health for the last 4.5 here in the Valley. I've worked with children, adolescents, adults, couples, families, a lot of substance abuse. I've worked with that. I've just done a lot through community mental health. So I bring with me to Star Valley Health a good range of abilities. And what led me to Star Valley Health is I like their values and their vision for the community. Their idea is that they see a need in the community and they want to help try to meet that need. And it doesn't have to be medical. And so when I was interviewing for this job, I got that distinct impression that they saw that we have a behavioral health need here in the Valley, and that what's currently working isn't serving everyone. So they just wanted to add to the community and to try to meet those needs.
Jaimi, as a behavioral health therapist, it sounds like that this is kind of new for Star Valley Health and kind of a new, growing and sometimes changing day-by-day position. But what do you do maybe on a day-to-day basis as of right now? What would be your role here when you see patients?
All right, so about half my week is seeing people in the community or referrals from the clinicians or the providers here, and that would be providing therapy services as needed. And then about half the rest of my time will be consulting with the providers, allowing them to contact me with any questions that are related to mental health or substance abuse, and that would be for the outpatient and inpatient providers, and then just seeing what other needs are in the community, reaching out, doing some community outreach, and just keeping track of what needs are in the community and what we can help with.
Jaimi, sometimes there's a stigma around seeing a therapist and getting assistance for mental health. What do you normally tell patients when they're reluctant to come see you?
Usually, I kind of use the reference of, if we were all robots, we wouldn't need mental health. But we're all human. We all have emotions. We all have difficult times, and none of us can get away from that. So some of the stigma is, if I go in to see a therapist, I'm going to be crazy or whatever. And really, a lot of it is providing a listening ear. And most people know what they need to do and what they need to change. But when we're in the midst of it, we get all kind of in the weeds a little bit. So having someone to have a listening ear and kind of be that mirror back to that person to help them decide and really discover what they can do, I think that's helpful to anyone. I've used it myself, so I think anyone could benefit from it. And there's people that can just muddle through and push themselves. But what I want to get out there is that you don't have to do that. It doesn't have to be that hard. Life itself is hard enough.
Jaimi Scott, Star Valley Health. Jaimi, thanks so much for your time. Anything we missed that you wanted to mention today about what your current role is at Star Valley Health?
The biggest thing is that I want to say that we're not trying to go out there and replace any of the current functioning mental health services out in the Valley. What we're wanting to be for Star Valley Health is to be a helper, to be another resource for the need in the community. And hopefully, like our vision, and especially Bren's vision, is to build this so that not only here in Afton, but throughout the entire valley, all the way down to Alpine, and maybe more, that they can receive services that maybe they're not getting right now.
Jaimi Scott with our Health Topics Tuesday, sponsored again by Star Valley Health.